Well, hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I am doing one of my very first Dollar Tree hauls, and it took a lot of coaxing from a lot of my YouTube sisters. So, without any more ado, let's go on to finding what I all found at the Dollar Tree. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today. And today we have a quite unusual little video here for you all to sit there and see. Because as you see, I'm doing my very first Dollar Tree haul. So with that all being said, let's go ahead and let's jump into what I found at my Dollar Tree. I picked up 3 of these little garden stakes. There's one. Here is one. And here is one. Now I'm just going to set them off to the side. And I found these really cute mason jars that have the cover on, and they come with the straw, and I thought they were really cute. So I'm gonna sit there, put a cute little emblem on them, and we're gonna enjoy them throughout the summer months. So, and I found, I think I bought like 15 of these wrought iron looking little fences. I bought this cute little planter, and with the cute little planter I bought some of the little fake fruits, lemons, apples. Here's the grapes. Here's another apple. And then here's another lemon. Oops. Here's a pear. And then I needed some adhesive, so I got myself some more adhesive. And I'm going to try out this little silicone scrubber and see how well that works out. And then I got some hanging wire baskets. And there's 3 of them there. That is my Dollar Tree haul. Now, if you liked what you saw here today in this little mini Dollar Tree haul of mine, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please go up and hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time for watching my videos here and to help support my channel. And y'all come back now. You hear?